One late payment could cost your business thousands. We're talking about those pesky late payment penalties, interest charges, and even strained relationships with your vendors. Nobody wants that, right? So today I'm sharing my top tips to help you stay on top of your accounts payable game and keep those dollars in your pocket where they belong. First up, let's talk about automation. Automation is transforming the way we work, making our lives easier and our businesses more efficient. Imagine having a personal assistant who never sleeps, never takes a break, and always gets things done on time. That's the magic of automation. Look, we're all busy, and sometimes due dates can slip our minds. The hustle and bustle of daily life can make it challenging to keep track of everything. From meetings to deadlines, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But with automated payment reminders, you'll never miss a deadline again. These reminders can be set up to notify you days or even weeks in advance, giving you plenty of time to prepare. It's like having a digital assistant who ensures you stay on top of your financial obligations. Think of it like setting an alarm clock for your bills, but way less annoying. Instead of a loud buzz, you get a gentle nudge, reminding you of what needs to be done. This way, you can manage your time better and avoid the stress of last-minute rushes. There are tons of tools out there that can help you automate your accounts payable process. From sophisticated accounting software to simple reminder apps, the options are endless. These tools can handle everything from invoicing to tracking expenses, freeing up your time for more important tasks. You can use accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, or even just set up reminders in your calendar. These platforms are designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to get started. They offer a range of features that can be customized to suit your specific needs. The key is to find a system that works for you and stick to it. Consistency is crucial when it comes to automation. Once you find a tool or method that fits your workflow, make it a part of your routine. This will help you stay organized and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Imagine this. You're looking at your dashboard and you see a little notification that says, "Hey, you've got a payment coming up." This simple alert can save you from the hassle of late fees and the stress of missed deadlines. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your financial management. That's the power of automation. It's about making your life easier and your business more efficient. By automating routine tasks, you can focus on what really matters, growing your business and achieving your goals. No more scrambling at the last minute, no more late fees, just smooth sailing all the way to financial peace of mind. With automation, you can take control of your time and your finances, leading to a more organized and stress-free life. Now let's talk about negotiating with vendors. This is a crucial skill that can significantly impact your business's bottom line. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a large enterprise, understanding how to effectively negotiate with vendors can lead to better terms, cost savings, and improved relationships. A lot of business owners don't realize this, but vendor terms aren't set in stone. Many assume that the initial offer is the final offer, but that's not always the case. Vendors often have some flexibility, especially if they value your business. You can actually negotiate things like payment deadlines, early payment discounts, and even late payment penalties. These terms can be adjusted to better suit your cash flow needs and financial situation. For instance, if you have a seasonal business, you might negotiate for extended payment terms during your off-season. The key is to come to the table prepared. Know your numbers, understand your cash flow, and be ready to make your case. Preparation involves not just knowing your own financials, but also understanding the vendor's position. Research their market, their competitors, and any recent news that might affect their business. For example, you could say something like, "Hey, I'm a really reliable customer and I always pay my invoices on time." This establishes your credibility and shows the vendor that you are a low-risk client. Would you be willing to offer me a discount if I commit to paying within 15 days instead of 30? This not only helps your cash flow, but also benefits the vendor by improving their cash cycle. The worst they can say is no, right? But even a no can be a starting point for further negotiation. It opens the door to discuss other terms that might be more acceptable to both parties. But in many cases, vendors are willing to work with you, especially if it means keeping you as a long-term customer. Building a strong relationship with your vendors can lead to more favorable terms and even exclusive deals in the future. So don't be afraid to negotiate. It's a valuable skill that can yield significant benefits for your business. Practice makes perfect, and the more you negotiate, the better you'll become at it. You might be surprised at what you can achieve. Successful negotiations can lead to a more profitable and sustainable business, so take the time to hone this essential skill. Next up, let's talk about strategic payment scheduling. This is all about timing your payments to align with your cash flow. By strategically scheduling your payments, you can ensure that you always have enough cash on hand to meet your obligations. This approach helps you avoid the stress and potential financial pitfalls of having to scramble for funds at the last minute. You don't want to be caught in a situation where you have a bunch of bills due, but not enough cash on hand to cover them. This can lead to late fees, damaged relationships with vendors, and even a hit to your credit score. That's where strategic payment scheduling comes in. By planning ahead and coordinating your payment dates with your cash inflows, you can maintain a healthy cash flow and avoid these issues. Take a look at your cash flow projections and identify any potential shortfalls. This means understanding when your revenue is expected to come in and when your expenses are due. Then, work with your vendors to schedule your payments accordingly. Many vendors are willing to negotiate payment terms, especially if it means they will be paid in full and on time. For example, let's say you know that you have a big expense coming up at the end of the month. By planning ahead, you can ensure that you have enough cash on hand to cover this expense without putting a strain on your finances. You could try to negotiate with your vendors to push back some of your payment deadlines to the following month, when you know you'll have more cash on hand. This way, you can manage your cash flow more effectively and avoid any potential financial crunches. Strategic payment scheduling is a powerful tool for maintaining financial stability and ensuring that your business runs smoothly. Finally, let's talk about using QuickBooks to automate your accounts payable process. QuickBooks is a game changer for business owners, and its automation features can save you a ton of time and money. With QuickBooks, you can set up recurring invoices, automate payment reminders, and even track your expenses all in one place. No more spreadsheets, no more manual data entry, just pure accounting bliss. One of my favorite features is the ability to set up payment approvals. This means that you can have someone else review and approve invoices before they're paid, which can help to prevent fraud and errors. So there you have it, my top tips to help you avoid late payment penalties and keep your business finances running smoothly. Which one are you going to implement today? Let me know in the comments. Which AP mistake have you made before? Drop it in the comments. We've all been there, so don't be shy. Sharing your experiences can help other business owners avoid making the same mistakes. If this saved you money, hit like and subscribe. And for more finance tips, follow AI Finance Network on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Links in the description. I'm constantly sharing new content to help you level up your finances and achieve your business goals. Until next time.